Good morning. We are here in Mampong town in Ashanti region of Ghana, West Africa. In 2010, June, we are very honored to be studying the music of the Ashanti people and the royal court of the king and queen, asante and mamponghene. And we have been working now with our teacher, Yaw, and our director, Mr. Kwabena Boateng, a professor at UMass Dartmouth. Our trip is a joint work between University of the Philippines and University of Massachusetts, Dartmouth. We have had all these great musicians come today, and we are honored by you being here with us. And we want to thank you. And I would like to turn it over to Kwabena Boateng, our teacher and mentor and friend, and he will introduce the gentlemen that will play for us today and dance the royal court music known as kete. So Kwabena, over to you.
Thank you, Royal Hardigan. On behalf of the drummers and dancers from the Asante Mampong court, which happens to be the kingdom of the silver stool of the Ashanti nation, they are here today to play for us, to watch, listen, and learn the kete drums. I wouldn't like to waste any more of your time, so I'll go on and introduce to you the leader of the group. Your name?
My name is Okyere Daniel.
Okyere Daniel. To my right?
My name is
Akuamoah Jones. Wow.
My name is Kwame agyeman.
My name is kwame.
My name is
nkrumah.
My name is called Prince Afrifa.
My name is
Akuamoah.
Gentlemen, we are honored to have you with us. We appreciate your teaching and your mastery and your artistry, and we look forward to seeing you again.
Thank you, and God bless you. Go on, let's start the ball rolling.
This is the royal court music known as kete, and this is kete adaban, the music of the royal executioners. This is the kete royal court music, and this section is known as abofoo. This is the kete royal court music, and this style is known as dabrebua.
know